Welcome back to my channel. It's Adrian here. Going to do a quick video today on this, how to use this free email subject line tester. So you can test your email subject lines. So if you're an email marketer, you can test your subject lines and see how clickable they are. So let's get on with today's video. So here I am. I'll go over to this here, subject line tester, send it, check it. Now, if you're an email marketer and you send out emails or send out offers to your email list and you're looking to try and get more clicks on your emails, it's a good thing to try and see if your subject lines are appealing or not. So what I do with this system here, or this tool I use here, what I do is you can just type in a subject line like make money online, and you can see when you click test subject line here, you can see how attractive this would be to someone who wants to click your email. As you can see here, make money online was just a basic subject line that I've used, and it rated it 81 points, and it has a scannability of 6 out of 10, which isn't great. So obviously you can get that better. Was written by 5th grade level, so that's not great either. Contains 17 characters in 3 words. There's so much information you can grab here, guys, using this. But simple, if I make a simple adjustment to this, like a question mark, and then test subject line again, it's gone from 81 to 86. It's still marking it as B, and its scannability is still 6 out of 10. But if I remove this one and just say, did you know, question mark, sorry I can't spell, and test this subject line, look at this one, guys. You see the difference? That's just 3 simple little words and a question mark, and it's giving it an A rating. Very solid subject line that should perform well for you. There you go. And it has, if I come down here, the scannability now is 9 out of 10 instead of 6 out of 10. So you could also change this again by going, did you know I'm making, change that to I'm properly, I'm making money online, and see what this does. Give it a question mark and see that's got an A rating, but it's only 92 points. Where if I take it back and remove them 4 words and put in a question mark again and test it again, it goes back to 99 points. So you can see how much you can play around with this little email subject line tester, guys. You can see how much you can play around with it and get a subject line really clickable. So if you're, like I said, if you're an email marketer and you're sending a affiliate product out to, say, 100,000 people, now you want a subject line to be very, very clickable. You want people to see that subject line and think, oh, this is an email I want to open. Obviously you can get, I don't know whether you can get 100 points, but I mean, an A rating is probably as good as you're going to get. But a 9 out of 10, you could probably get that to a 10 out of 10. Its reading grade level is at first. Contains 13 characters in 3 words. And if you come down, there's more to read about it. Not use the word free. Free was not found in the subject line, so that's a big green plus. Only 2.34% of emails contain the word free. They shouldn't contain the word free, because that's a really scammy word to use in email subject lines. So I hope you found that video helpful, guys. I will be leaving the link to this in the video description below. So go check it out. It's free to use, guys. Simple as that. And you can just rejuvenate your subject lines. As you can see here, how can you stand out in the inbox, get more opens, compare it to 100,000 plus other emails sent by marketers just like you. So I'm using this tool myself now to send out emails to my list. Like I said, this is awesome. This is an awesome little email subject line tester tool for email marketers, because if you're an affiliate marketer and you have an Amazon product or a ClickBank product or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, if you're advertising one of those products to a mass email list, this tool could change your life, because you'll get more clicks with a subject line that you know is going to get a good rating on here and then be clickable when you send your emails out. So that was the video, guys. I hope you got value from that video today. Let me go back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, guys, you can go ahead and subscribe over here. You can also go ahead and click the notification bell up in the right hand corner, because I will be bringing more great content out soon. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. If you stay till the end, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Like I said, the link will be in the description to this email subject line tester, so you can come and test it out for yourself, so you can make your emails that you send out better quality. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.